Beautiful Poly Nail Gel Kit. 4 different and amazing color gels that are perfect for any skin tone. Enhance the charm of your nails to make your hands elegant and stylish and make a differentiating stand. Fast DIY Nail Extension. It is better to dip the brush into slip solution, or 70% isopropyl alcohol or base coat as an alternative, which can help you use or spread the poly nail gel easily. With super easy, beginner-friendly application without complex ratios and mixing, this gel extension nail kit is your go-to at-home salon. What's included? This incredible gel nail extensions kit includes 4 nail extension, gel tubes, 15 ml full-size, clear, white, boba, black, lily of the valley, pink. Warm tips. The poly nail gel usually can be cured for 60s 120s, while the black gel needs to be cured for a longer time, like 3 minutes plus. Long-lasting. With proper care and application, Makartt's poly nail gel formula lasts up to 3 weeks and gives you natural-looking nails customizable to the length and shape that you desire without having to leave your home. Professional grade, easy to use. Makartt's poly nail extension gel formula is proudly vegan and we do not conduct animal testing. Our formulas are designed for salon quality use yet also beginner and amateur friendly so that you can create beautiful, self-expressive nail designs in the comfort of your own home. Top reviews from the United States. 15 milliliters is just over 1 ounce. And both those amounts are small, so don't be shocked when you open it, and for only $20, it's a pretty decent deal. Consistency is always good, a little goes a long way, colors are great, and I've bought Makartt Polygel several times with no quality issues.